A local lawyer says he was only working to defend his client when he filed a federal lawsuit against Mahoning County Prosecutor Paul Gaines and his staff in December. It's a case that's now figured in the firing of one of Gaines' employees.
27 First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti takes another look at the termination of attorney Marty Desmond and the actions that led up to it.
Although now former Assistant Mahoning County Prosecutor Marty Desmond isn't saying anything publicly about his firing yesterday, the local defense lawyer, whose civil rights lawsuit may have led to Desmond's downfall, tells me he can't understand it.
He provided me with no information. He provided me with no research and no case law.
Prosecutor Paul Gaines is quick to insist he never accused Desmond of helping Wise with his lawsuit, but he is questioning why computer logs indicate Desmond was researching a legal website for information on malicious prosecution, false imprisonment, and immunity issues, the very same ones Wise cites in his case. Although the log Gaines provided us yesterday shows Desmond went to the Westlaw site on the same day Wise's suit was filed, he claims Desmond said he never went there.
I then asked him again if he had conducted any research into those issues, specifically in November or December of 2016, and again he denied it.
Gaines tells me Desmond failed to inform his boss about the lawsuit when he first learned about it last fall, as well as failing to tell his supervisors of concerns he had with his colleagues and their actions, and then not being truthful about the legal research. Wise told me today by phone that weeks before he and Desmond ever discussed the lawsuit, he had told Assistant Prosecutor Don Cantalamesa about it last August.
I did not like how she handled this matter. And advised her that I would be filing a lawsuit against her.
Gaines argues Desmond still had a responsibility to notify his boss whenever he learned about it.
He himself had a duty to tell us as far as I'm concerned.
But Gaines says he was also upset by Desmond's own admissions that he discussed office activities and staff with outsiders, including Wise.
Discussing those internal matters with an attorney who has an adverse interest to his client, Mahoning County, is, in my opinion, despicable.
Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.